hopefully today I will shoot an update. So, update, I am going out of town tomorrow. It's Saturday, March 12th-ish, and I'm headed to Southern California tomorrow, to Palm Springs specifically. It's a long story. Anyway, last weekend, or last week, you would have seen the video about me putting the springs in. Well, since then, I've done a little bit of a research, and the shims that you need to buy, there's a variety of different ones that you can buy to alter the camber of the front tires, but the shim is three-dimensional. You need to get the right one, so not only does it set the camber, but it sets the caster. And so, just on a whim, I went to a local tire/alignment place and found the oldest dude there, who happened to be the manager of the local Les Schwab alignment center. And he has a ton of experience with TTB front suspensions. And so, well, to back up, to tell another story, hang on a second. So the parts to do this little scheme, best case, are probably $30 or $40 per side, so call that 60, 80 bucks if I buy the parts. Be it Amazon, the parts store, whatever, to get good parts. And so I stopped by Les Schwab and I talked to the manager of their alignment center, who's been doing this 20 years. And these front ends are super finicky, and I was looking specifically, what I'm hoping for is this guy, because what I'm looking for is an old dude, oldish dude like me, that was around when these were new and has a ton of experience doing them. And this guy impressed me as being knowledgeable in that, and went on to show me all the parts needed, a whole rack of different adjustable upper bushings, that sort of thing. So I asked him what it was going to cost, and he quoted me a price of $175 parts and labor. And I have an appointment scheduled today at about 1 p.m. So that's what I'm going to do. At Les Schwab, and hopefully I can show some pictures, but well, the wheels are turned so you can't tell, but she drives straight, steering wheel straight, and everything is within factory specifications. So I'm going to call this overall a win. So this project was $40 for the coil springs, and then I paid $175.98. No special discount. Never met the Les Schwab dude I talked to, but he was very, very friendly and accommodating. I took a couple pictures. I actually got to like be with the car and him kind of show me what he was up to and stuff like that. Very knowledgeable person. And the one thing I would say is, if you're going to do this lift, you're going to need to go to a legit alignment shop, because the reality is, yes, you can change the camber and caster shim, whatever that piece is, but it'd be a guess. You know, you buy one and it's set to a specific setting. If you go to where I went, Les Schwab, they have a rack of them. And so, because I looked it up on Amazon, and I think retail it's 30 or 40 bucks per shim, and I would venture to say that the use of a computerized laser or whatever alignment machine with a professional who knows how to use it for $175.98 parts and labor out the door, that's a steal. So I'm doing math on camera.